Hi everybody, it's Jose Luis Morales with Remax, the real estate company. So I'm outside my office right now, but I had a recent story that I wanted to share with all of the viewers out there. That way they can have a little bit more information when shopping for a property. So we had a situation where we had a property that was a complete fixer-upper. This property had about 5-6 cash offers, and it had a couple of people that were owner occupied that wanted to buy it. Now, under normal circumstances, because the property needed so much work, broken windows, graffiti, holes on the walls, a lot of different stuff wrong with the property, it would only be available to cash buyers. But there's a great loan product called an FHA 203K loan, which is basically a renovation loan that allows a first-time home buyer, an FHA buyer, to be able to make an offer on a fixer-upper property, and they finance all of the renovations so that you can fix up the property to your taste and you can pick the contractor. So it's a great product. Once again, if you didn't hear me, it's called an FHA 203K loan product. It's meant to help a first-time home buyer renovate a fixer-upper property. So what this first-time home buyer did is they ended up offering the seller more than the cash offer. So let's say that the highest cash offer was at $200,000, and then the first-time home buyer ended up offering like $10,000-$15,000 more, which enticed the seller with a little bit more money, enticed them to allow them to get their offer accepted. And it also was a good opportunity for the buyer, because now the buyer has a property that they were able to purchase below market value. They get to fix up the property up to their own taste. The lender lets them borrow, I think in this case they're letting them borrow $40,000 to renovate the property, and the buyer gets to pick all of their upgrades. So if you or anybody that you know is interested in maybe buying a fixer-upper and you're competing against cash offers, make sure to ask the loan officer that you're working with for the FHA 203K product, and that might be a good opportunity for you to buy a fixer, fix it up with the bank's money, and beat out that cash offer and still get a good deal on the property. So to summarize it, even after the buyer paid a little bit more than the cash offer, even after he invests the $40,000 to fix it up, he's still gonna have equity on the property. I did a couple of properties like this back in 2010, 2011. As soon as the buyer got done with all the renovations, there was so much cushion that even then the buyer, bring them on camera. So even then, the buyer still had equity in the property after closing. So Jose Luis Morales, I work with Remax, the real estate company. Bring them on camera. Oh, that's a comment. So Jose Luis Morales, I work with Remax, the real estate company. If you or anybody that you know has any questions, 805-228-4672. Office number 1, office number 2. Make it a great day. Adios.